Let's look at the following example of plastic combs. So we have a demand and supply for combs. We have the price, the world price here by PW, that's the green line. And we have the following price, world price plus tariff, right? So it increased this bar by the size of the tariff. Now we want to know which area on this graph shows the losses to US consumers from buying a smaller quantity of combs than they would have if they had just purchased it at the world price. And the answer to this would be area D. Area D is what is being lost. Consumers cut back on the quantity of combs that they purchase at a higher price with a tariff, but they lose the surplus that they were going to receive from buying these combs. Let's look at a different question. Which area on this graph shows the losses to the US consumers from having to buy combs from US producers who are less efficient than foreign producers? And the answer to that is B. So the US manufacturers increase the quantity of combs that are supplied at the higher US price. However, these are less efficient than foreign producers. This can be seen as the US supply curve being above the world price over this range in production. Lastly, which area shows the deadweight loss in this graph from the tariff on combs? Well, here the deadweight loss is going to be areas B plus D. The tariff, we know, reduces the surplus by the sum of the areas A, B, C, and D. Area A is going to become the increase in producer surplus. We know that area C is going to be the revenue to the government from the tariff, which means areas D and B become deadweight loss, right? These two areas don't go to anything.